Royal Tech Windows has enlisted the service of this 14-pound Tomcat to demonstrate what happens when a pet sees something interesting through a window covered with vinyl blinds. There, kitty. Now let's switch this ordinary window and blinds with Royal Tech's low E-glass windows with heavy interlock, triple weather sealed, and tilt and slide blinds built right in. Royal Tech's tilt and slide blinds have no strings attached that can become a danger to children either. And Royal Tech's heavy-duty windows come in 33 colors. Or they can custom color your new windows to your specifications. Get Royal Tech's 30-year warranty and tilt and slide blinds that last the life of the window. Royal Tech in Taylor on Ecorse. Call 877-795-5548 or visit RoyalTechWindows.com. Energy efficient, green smart, and beautifying Michigan since 1966. Royal Tech Windows. For a home seal as tight as a drum.